Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a beginner in programming and you have completed a project like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React or even one stack, but you don't know how to upload your code to GitHub, then this video is so let's dive into video. I have created a folder name GitHub. After that, I will open on VS Code. There were many ways to open a folder in VS Code. Just I open using a CMD. This takes some time to open. Okay, then I will go onto a folder and I will create a file. The name is the index.html. After creating a index.html file, I will write the code. On the title, I will write learning how to push your code into your GitHub account. And after that, inside the body parts, I will write a h1 tag. On h1 tag, I will write this is a video you can okay, then this is a video. Just I have written the h, and another I am taking on h2 tag. This is the exact channel where you can learn how to hack etc. So after that, I will open my GitHub account. This is my GitHub account. After that, I will click on repository and I will create a new, and on repository name I will write GitHub push, and you can write anything on repository names, whatever your project is, and you can write on description as well. Just I am writing or learning to push a code into GitHub. After that, you can make it public or private as well. Then I will create a repository. After that, I will copy this code and I will go on VS Code. After that, I will open my terminal. Then I will remove this all unnecessary things and I will write git init. After that, git add space dot git commit minus am. And after I can write a comment, just I write on a push. After that, whatever you have copied, you have push paste here, and just write git push origin master. After sometimes your code is already pushed on your GitHub accounts. So this is the way where you can push your code onto a GitHub accounts. Just you can look at outputs. Already on my GitHub account, the code the return as index.html is pushed.